Hi and welcome back to Additional Replicas. This is part 3 of the Renault RE30 build. As you can see, we're quite a way in now with the engine and the gearbox now mated to the main tub. Just giving you an overview of the 99% finished kit. The decals have gone on, settled out 27 decals. See the detailing in around the engine with the extra cabling and wiring that we've put in there, and the supports for the side pods. Again, they were part of the Studio 27 detail set. So it's now about 99% finished. So we're pleased so far with the way it's looking. Just about make out in there. I had to scratch build a new gear shift linkage. Somehow managed to lose the other one somewhere on the workbench. It still hasn't turned up. So there's a scratch built one made from brass rod and brass section. And there's our resin driver figure. It's the Alain Prost resin figure. I think it was a modeller's figure if I remember rightly. The detailed inside, it's got the ribbon harnesses, and that's 4mm and 3mm ribbon, and it's the crazy model 1/20th scale photo etch seatbelt buckles. You see, ready some of the fasteners to the windscreen. There's the rear bodywork. That's all decaled and finished and clear coated, and that's now just waiting to have some final work done on it with some fasteners. Detail around the back from the gearbox end. Really pleased with the way the Tamiya carbon fibre decal has settled in. Looks really quite nice. And that's had a coat of Winsor & Newton satin UV varnish over it just to seal the decal in. Again, you can see the bracing. That's part of the Studio 27 detail set. The only real issue with the assembly so far is with strangely enough, the tyres. They're really thin and they don't go to the rims very well. So I've actually padded the inside of the wheels out with some foam rubber. And you can see my high-tech turntable. There is a stand that I've made as well, which I'll show you in the very final part. And also a helmet as I've been making to go with it as well. I'm just waiting for some decals to come for the helmet. The stand I've made out of aluminium tube and brass section. That's just so that I can put the rear bodywork on to make a bit of a display piece from it. So really quite pleased with the way it's looking so far. So it should hopefully all be finished up in the next couple of days. So the paints have all been Tamiya lacquer paints. So the yellow is Tamiya LP8. The white is the LP2 white. And then LP5, LP3, and LP1, which are the different blacks that Tamiya produce as well. The metal effects are mainly done with Alclad and with AK Extreme metals. The clear coat is Mr. RBGX112, which was the super UV clear. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.